Electrician pay in Palau is worth a closer look. The average salary of an electrician in Palau is $13,600 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, your take-home pay drops to $12,200. This means an average electrician salary in Palau brings home roughly $1,017 every month. While that is the nationwide average, working in larger towns like Koror usually pays more, where an electrician income reaches $14,400 after tax. Even so, higher living costs in the city often eat up those extra electrician wages, so living outside Koror can still work out well. When you first start out, how much does an electrician make in Palau is noticeably below this baseline. However, your pay goes up quickly as you gain skills, though it can plateau if you stay in the same role. On top of that, holding a university degree or technical diploma opens up higher pay levels. Having that extra education helps you move into better positions, like becoming an electrical supervisor or a project manager. Finally, picking a specialization adds up to even higher earnings over time.